Good morning. We are here in Beverly Hills today. We just completed another beautiful wood-like sliding gate. When I say wood-like, this is actually made of aluminum with wood grain, which will basically last you a lifetime without any type of maintenance. You can see how quiet this gate is. This was actually manufactured here in Canoga Park, USA. One of a kind, I could say literally in the world. This was a design that was actually worked out with the customer and our top salesperson, and they kind of tried to please the customer. This is not something that we usually do, but we were able to manufacture such a beautiful gate. You can see the quality of this gate. Beautiful wood grain, seamless, real quiet. Obviously the customer is going to come back and finish up the rest here with the open spaces. We may come back for them and do some complete the fence and everything. You can see the quality, the small motor here, practically beautiful. This is a rack and pinion system, which does not require any type of chain or grease or any noise. You can almost can't even hear the gate here. So here it is. And we have the aluminum track. This also has a photo eye, so when somebody crosses it, it automatically opens back up. I will also take you to the other side of this project, which we also have a pedestrian gate, which matches this design. That was also all custom made here in the US. So let me go over there and take a look at that real quick.